Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is how to do eye makeup. So this is going to be a very simple eye makeup and everything is going to be in detail. So let's get started. So for concealer, I have used the Inside Cosmetics concealer on my eyelids, and for eyeshadow blending brush, I'm using this eyeshadow blending brush. This is from Pro Art and the number is PE22. I'm just patting this and blending this out really well. Now once I'm done applying my concealer, let's first talk about our eyes. So this space that you see in the outer corner, this V that you see in the outer corner is called the outer corner of your eye, and this inner corner V is called the inner corner of the eye. The middle part would be your eyelid, and this eyebrow, what you see, the bone below this eyebrow is called your eyebrow bone, where we will be applying our highlighter. Okay, in the last, this is called your lower lash line because this is very close to our lashes, and then this line where you apply kajal is called your waterline. So let's get started with the eye makeup now. The eyeshadow palette that I am using today is this Huda Beauty Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. You can use any eyeshadow palette which has similar colors. Transition shade should always be a light color, so I'm just using a light brown eyeshadow, focusing on the outer corner, and then whatever product is left, I'm getting it into the inner corner, and I'm also pulling out the product to give my eyes a little extended eye look effect. Next, I'm going to switch my brush now. For the second brush, I'll be using a brush from pack, which is 204. This brush is smaller in size, and now I'm picking a medium tone brown color. So the second shade I picked up was called Cocoa from Huda Beauty, and I'm again focusing only in the outer corner like you can see, and I'm blending that really well. The second color you can apply it a little below than the first color, your transition color, and then the same color I'm applying it in my lower lash line as well and blending that out really well. Next, I'm using a flat brush. This is again from Pro Art. I'll mention all the products, brushes, everything in the description below, so please do check. Now, how do I apply it? I picked up the shade called Trust Fund. It is a rose gold shade from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's a shimmer. I'm just applying the shimmer on the eyeball area and giving it a shape according to my eyes. So that's what you have to do. Just apply a shimmer on the eyeball area, and from the tip of the brush you can just give it a little bit of shape. Next, I'm using this sketch eyeliner from Faces Canada. I'm drawing a basic wing eyeliner starting from the middle of the eyes, because this is where you can make your eyeliner a little thick, and then I'm applying it in the outer corner and inner corner. Now in the inner corner, I'm again keeping the eyeliner as thin as possible, doing the same on the other eye as well. I'm just going to start from the center of the eyes, apply it as thick as possible. In the outer and inner corner, I'm keeping the liner super thin and crisp. So this is how you will be doing your liner as well. And next up, I'm going to start applying my mascara, and let's curl our lashes as well. Okay, so for Kajal, I'm using the Iba Halal Kajal. I am so in love with this Kajal. This is super pigmented and very nice. Using a pencil brush, I'm just smudging my Kajal and setting it with a black eyeshadow as well. Next, I'm using a light shade to highlight my eyebrow bone and my inner corner as well. Then I'm using the Gub eyelash curler and lashed my curler, applying a mascara, and that's it. We are done with the look. That's how simple it was. I will be coming up with more such videos. Stay